Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Revolut Transfer Money, a comprehensive tutorial that will walk you through the process of sending and receiving money using Revolut. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account, which you can create by downloading the Revolut app and following the registration process. Once you have your account set up, you can add money to it using various methods such as bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. The first step in transferring money using Revolut is to open the app and navigate to the dashboard. From there, you can select the account you want to use to send money, which can be your local currency account or any other currency account you have. Next, you need to add the recipient's details, which include their name, email address, and phone number. You can also add a message to the transfer, which can be useful for identifying the purpose of the transfer. After adding the recipient's details, you need to select the currency you want to send and the amount. Revolut will then show you the exchange rate and the total amount the recipient will receive. One of the key concepts to understand when transferring money using Revolut is the exchange rate. Revolut uses the interbank exchange rate, which is the rate at which banks exchange currencies with each other. This rate is usually better than the rate offered by traditional banks and currency exchange offices. Another important concept is the transfer fee, which is the fee charged by Revolut for processing the transfer. The fee varies depending on the type of account you have and the destination of the transfer. To send money, you need to confirm the transfer details and authorize the payment. Revolut will then process the transfer and send the money to the recipient's account. Best practices for transferring money using Revolut include always checking the exchange rate and transfer fee before confirming the transfer, and making sure the recipient's details are correct to avoid any errors or delays. In addition to sending money, Revolut also allows you to receive money from other users. To receive money, you need to share your Revolut account details with the sender, who can then use the app to send you money. In conclusion, transferring money using Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By understanding the key concepts, such as exchange rates and transfer fees, and following best practices, you can use Revolut to send and receive money quickly and securely.